a male giraffe. It was brought some 3 years back. That time it was suffering from sarcoptic disease, but now it has recovered after taking the water. Just next to me and browsing. And the other one is on the other side. Look, let's go near to it. Wave. So I go near to it. So friendly. The other one is just grazing on the other side, just behind the acacia tree. Let me go to the other side and see whether I can get at least something. Yeah. To go and see the other one. Yeah. Yeah. This here. This here. The other one is there. As you can see, but you can see it. See it. Can't see it. Yeah, that one is here. This one is a bit older. That's there. Yeah, that one is there. More brighter. This one also is a bit older than the other one. These are the 2 male giraffes which are the main camp now. Wajir.